Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SARAL Trader. Today we are going to do end of the week review and we'll look at some of the trades that we took. So the first big one was in crude oil. So crude oil, as you know, we had a position in crude oil and it had a major fall. Let's go on the smaller time frames. So this is the time frame chart for crude, which is on a smaller time frame, and the system that we used was a different one. So here, we were long on this signal, and with the hedges, and it went up, but took resistance at the 21 DMA, and then it sharply fell, and it went on sideways for 3 days, and then slowly it started moving, and then it got a signal here. And I told all my followers who follow futures that I have rolled over my hedges. We rolled over our hedges somewhere, a couple of days back, and then we got a big move. I exited my entire position. So even when there was such a sharp drawdown, with hedges, we were able to stay in the game and come out in decent profit. Now, what have we done? Let us look at some of the new trades that we took. We took a trade in Verizon, which was basically a counter trend trade, and we got an entry somewhere here, or maybe, and then we got a pop of almost 3%. I exited my position. I got around 2.5%. So this new system of trading oversold stocks that we have made, SARAL Trader Trade Yogi system, I'm calling it, is doing well. Another trade which we had taken was on TMO, which is Thermo Fisher Scientific. Another very interesting setup this was. It was oversold. We entered and we got full 3%, and we exited this trade today. So what have we bought? We have taken Petro Brasileiro. This is a large cap from Brazil. Now we have entered the PBR shares today, and our average price is around 13. So this is a trade that is another counter trend trade. In this system, we may buy more if the levels trigger on the downside, and whenever we get around 6 to 7% moves, we will exit. So this is what we entered. Then we also had Amazon. Now Amazon, we had entered around somewhere around 184, 185 kind of levels. We got a good pop, and it went up to almost 200. Made a high of almost 200.8. We exited our entire, not our half of our position, primarily because we were looking at taking half profits. Generally it works for us. So we entered, and there is a huge resistance. The market rumor is that the previous founder of the company, Jeff Bezos, is having a huge wall at 200. He has to sell 25 million shares. He has already sold around 8 million, and today we again went up to above 200, and again there was a wall. Almost 5 million more shares were sold above 200. So let's see. I don't know, if this breakout happens, whenever it happens, we are straight going to 250 in a matter of 3 to 6 months. So hopefully we get that move. Now, some of the trades we took EWW, which is the Mexico index. It again tried going up today and again fizzled out completely. Very critical point. Let's see if this level breaks, then we might see 45. But we are in this trade. We entered recently and we are holding it. Now another one that we entered today is EWZS. This is the small cap index of Brazil. That's the ETF. Now reaching key support levels, very volatile, and whenever it moves sharp. Our entry is very good. We entered today, and we are expecting good moves in the ETF system. We do multiple buys. Generally, I will do equal weight buys. So if I'm buying say $1,000 worth of ETF today, next buy, if it comes, whenever it comes, I will buy another 1,000 or more. So the system will buy at key levels. Now we have entered here. Our entry is good. We have a triple bottom kind of a situation here. If this breaks, we will see. But even if it breaks, in this system we are not really bothered because this is an ETF. You can check all our ETF trades. We have a very high win rate. Now, one trade that has got stuck with us is UNG. On UNG, we entered. We got a good follow through. All my free subscribers actually exited in profits, but we got up. All my premium subscribers are stuck in it. We are down around 10%. We have reached a very critical oversold level technically. I am expecting a bounce in some time, and I have not added yet, but we might add it. Now let us look at S&P 500. S&P 500. If you see, we were in an uptrend, and now we are struggling. And this big boy candle, is kind of a bearish candle, but looks like bulls tried taking some control here. They are in control actually. So see, I told you 270. If you look at the SPY charts, I gave a level 573. If until 573 is broken, so 573 technically we have closed below it, but again it was reclaimed. So let's see, if the outcome of the US elections is bad, we might see a big drop. But overall, we don't know what's going to come. We only trade the price, not opinions about it. So this is pretty much what I'm thinking. If you look at the emerging markets, Malaysia, Malaysia is down 27.5. It has made a low of 24, almost 10-12%. We have a position here. Then you have INDA, at 59 for 50, and then we are at 54, almost, another 9% move down move here. All emerging markets, I told you about Brazil and then Mexico. All these markets are in value zone now. This technical fall is pretty much. The news about India is little more negative. There are rumors that some sanctions might come on Indian companies. There are some sanctions already in place for some 12 companies, but it seems like there will be bigger sanctions coming in. So we don't know. Price wise, we are still in the bullish mode. We have this correction, and we will still looking for buying opportunities in India index. So and another trade that we booked a profit yesterday was in BMY. So BMY, we had a position at our average around 51 or something. And yesterday we got a very good move. We exited our entire position. We were holding this for over 9 months. And ultimately, we got a decent exit from it at 9%. MCHP is one of the another trade that we are holding. This is a semiconductor play, already oversold, and the stock is doing nothing. For a while we are down around 8%, 7%. We are looking at it, and if this doesn't work in our favor, we will exit. Thank you guys. If you want to subscribe to our premium channel, you can do that. We also have a free trial of all our ETF and stock alerts. So let me know if you have any questions. Please comment and let us know. You can follow us on free channel. You can take a free trial, or you can take a paid subscription as well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.